So this is the Monkey Cola fruit, aka the Monkey Blokus. What an interesting name. Now let's try this fruit together. Now this fruit has an outer shell which is quite hard. I tried using my teeth earlier and it worked, but this one is quite big and I don't want to take the risk, so I'm going to use a knife. I had to go in with a knife to do this. And then inside you see the white fleshy part, yes, and it's quite drawy. Yeah, it's still good. That's just the nature of it. Now I'm going to try this out. The fleshy part is quite sweet, but then the cola part, that is the part inside the flesh, has this cola taste, but it's not bitter. It's just all right. I guess that's why some people call it the monkey cola. So you see the inside, it has this cola nut look. As well, it has the cola nut taste. Yeah. Thank you and bye. Oh, one more thing. It was quite hard to get it off from the casing. It's like kind of stuck here. Did you hear that pop sound? Yeah, so it's like stuck where those three dots were, which is also quite an interesting feature of this fruit. So now, actually, bye bye. Thank you.